he was to play guitar, but then he didn't like to leave the passion. So he came up with an idea that why not play with the two fingers, and then was the birth of the heavy metal. It is not confined to Black Sabbath only. There are other bands like Led Zeppelin and other bands which came across during that time. So coming to the context of this song, Heaven and Hell, you will find the lyrics over there that how the kings and queens snatches or steals your dreams, and the common people lives without any kind of any sense or anything else. In the end also, while we go through the lyrics, it is also visible that we can see that the lyrics, it is written that how they buy gold and then they actually sell the society. So the starting of the song is like this only, that sing me a song, you're a sinner. So it is like the sinners are the ones who actually rule the society, and the ones who always confine themselves that what will happen if this is being done, the society might not accept. It is the one who suffers. So it is a kind of a duality আর কি, মানে ডুয়ালিটির মতন একটা ব্যাপার হয়েছে যেটা আমাদের বেদের মধ্যেও আছে, যে একটা ডুয়াল নেচার, একটা ওয়ান একটা টাইপের, যেগুলো নিয়ে বেদিক ইয়েতে অনেক আলোচনা আছে. So this is very interesting, and I like the tune of this song as well, the composition of this song, and during that time it became very popular. It is still popular now. The ones who are into this metalheads, they also like this song as because this was the birth of heavy metal. Before that we had rock, and then came the metal, but it doesn't mean that rock got stopped in between. There are other things as well. So I was not getting any topic, so I thought of why not talk about this music, as because I was listening to this song. This is the part that I want to end right now. So I will ask you to listen to this song, as because this song is really beautiful. If you go through a lyrical interpretation, you'll be able to find many things. On top of that, it connects me with the heaven. I know the heaven and hell is all the same over here. How you perceive things is the most important part. So almost this is like heaven for me. It might be dangerous for someone else. It might be haunting also, but then this is beautiful for me. But then I have to be practical sometimes. I need to be rational, as because there are snakes maybe or small animals over here. I don't know whether any cheetah comes up and jumps at me, but then I need to be careful about that one. So that's what the duality of nature is being represented through this song. So that's it for today. If you can spare some time and listen to this song, this will be a great endeavor that you'll be having. That's it for today. Bye bye. Take care.